Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them. How to start a food truck business. Food trucks are self-contained ventures that will give you plenty of exposure to essential business skills. From creating a great menu to sourcing ingredients and preparing meals to making a profit, you'll need to get up to speed quickly. Here's our simple guide to opening up your successful food truck business. From exploring the types of food trucks you can start to the legalities of setting up your business and the realities of your day-to-day operations, this guide is here to help. Some insight into creating your own food truck business and becoming an entrepreneur. In this guide we will cover food truck business planning. Food truck business planning. Deciding whether a food truck business could be right for you. Groups, forums, and support for food truck business owners. Ideas for the type of food business you could form. Helpful software for food truck businesses. Statistics on why you should start a food truck business selling meals to the public. Setting up your food truck business including location, equipment, employees, taxes, finances, licenses, and more. Before we jump into the video, please note that I may earn a referral fee from the services and companies I feature, but rest assured, there's no extra cost to you. I chose Zen Business and Busy because they are one of the best entity formation platforms out there in the market. And get worry-free services and support to launch your business starting at $0 plus state fees. Also in Zen Business includes one optional free year of worry-free compliance that renews at $199 per year. They support small businesses at every stage. And Busy also provides 100% free formation, super fast filing speeds, first-year free registered agent, and free compliance reminders. In the middle of the video, I'm gonna show you how to start an LLC using Zen Business and Busy, and in the description down below you also find a review of their service. Okay, now let's get back in today's video. What type of food truck business should you start? 1. Food trucks focusing on specific cuisines. 2. Food trucks for special diets. 3. Food trucks tied to events or locations. 4. Food trucks associated with restaurants and breweries. Validating your food truck business idea. It can be quite expensive to open a food truck business, with estimates of between $50,000 and $100,000 for your startup costs. Before committing too much time, energy, and money into your new food truck business, it's vital to test the marketplace. Look at who your competitors are in the space. Identify your food truck business unique selling points, USPs. Understand your market. Talk to clients. Get involved with food truck communities and discussion groups. Keep researching and testing until you find the right type of food truck business. It's fine to say no to the first few ideas, so long as you settle on a niche where there's a genuine need. The food truck business plan. You need to define how you're going to run your food truck business, market yourself, get sales, make a profit, and grow. This can only come about by creating a watertight food truck business plan. It will help you get your thinking in order and show your commitment to your new venture. You will also need to look at financial projections for your food truck business. 1. An executive summary with the most important points from your business plan. 2. Your goals and what you hope to achieve with your food truck business. 3. A description of your food truck business, background information, and context. 4. A market analysis and likely demand. 5. An overview of how your food truck business is structured. 6. Your business model. 7. How you will market and sell your offerings. 8. Financial projections, revenue, and profitability. 9. Appendices. In particular, your food truck business plan should cover your startup and operational costs. You'll need to work out how long it will be before you can turn a profit, bearing in mind the expense to buy a truck and equip it with specialized food facilities. Even after that, you'll also need to put money toward ingredients, permits, wages, utility costs, and more. Your food truck business will succeed or fail based on its profitability, so a rock-solid understanding of your pricing and expenses is essential. Okay, now in this section I'm going to show you how to start an LLC using Zen Business and Busy, and in the description down below you also find a review of their service. First I'll start a Zen Business dashboard, then we'll show Busy. After clicking the link in the description below, you will land on this page. Scroll down a little and below the business type section, you will see the Start an LLC option. Click on the green button and your LLC formation process will begin. As you can see the 3 different types of package, then identify the LLC package and services that fit your needs and then get started, then put your business name and the state you want to form your LLC at. After you are done, click on Next. As you can see, it says my business name is available for registration in the state of California. As you can see, they have this cool question-answer checkbox type interface that basically guides you through the whole LLC formation process. After that, it will ask you whether you want to get their registered agent service or not, then EIN and bank account. Once you are done with all information and payment, they will start processing your order and you will receive your LLC within 7 to 9 business days. Now, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC using Busy, and in the description down below you also find a review of their service. They are one of the best entity formation platforms in the market that charges $0 for their service. Now let me just show you what types of services Busy provides to business owners. After arriving on their website here you will see the list of all the services they provide. Under the Start Your Business section, you will see 4 of their key services, which are form an LLC, C Corporation, S Corporation, and Non-Profit. As you can see there are 3 different packages: Silver, Gold, and Platinum. And the first thing that's worth mentioning is that the state fee does not change. You can see it's $236 in all the packages. Some of the extra services that are included in this package are preparing and filing the articles of organization, unlimited name searches, free registered agent for 1 year, and unlimited phone and email support. Next, the Gold package, which costs $249, and this is the package I highly recommend, which filing EIN, which is a business tax number, Form 2553, operating agreement, business bank account, lifetime company alerts, tax consultation, etc. In the next section, Busy is asking you to provide your LLC name and its designation. After that, ask you whether you want to get a registered agent through them or not. Getting a registered agent is a legal requirement in order to file an LLC in any state. Busy is providing registered agent service free for 1 year, and after that, it's $119 per year. Busy is asking you whether you want to get an EIN or not. In the next section, Busy will ask you whether you will set up a small U.S. business bank with Bank of America, then if you want to get a free tax strategy or consultation call with them. In the Busy dashboard, if you go to Legal and then Licenses and Permits. Note, before taking out a loan or using a credit card, please confirm. When it comes to riba, it is considered haram in Islamic law. For Muslims, please see additional options for debit cards or other cards, as well as the proper procedure for obtaining a business loan. They can do this research for you and make sure that you have all the proper licenses and permits. After providing all the information, Busy will be the one handling all the documents and registering your LLC on your behalf, so you won't need to go through any of these hassles. Okay, now let's get back rest of the video. Choose the right business structure and register your food truck business. There are 5 main business structures you can have in the US, and it's important to choose the right one. We've shared your options below. They are sole proprietorship, partnership company or LLC, limited liability company or LLC. The most common type of business entity. An LLC is fast, simple and inexpensive to set up and maintain. It protects your personal finances and assets and is a great way to start your food truck business. S Corporation. C Corporation. In most cases, our recommendation for a food truck business would be to create an LLC. We've got a complete guide to everything you need to do. Setting up your food truck and business operations. Marketing your food truck business. Finances and taxes. Employees. Software and process. Location of your food truck business. Equipment for your food truck. Rules, regulations, and taxes for your food truck business. You can't escape real-world licenses, permits, and regulations, and they're particularly onerous for a food-based business. You will need to explore local, state, and federal licenses and permits, and we can also help out with researching your business licensing needs. Pay particular attention to any permits or licenses needed for safety and hygiene. Taxes. Taxes are a fact of life if you're in business, and there are various ways you will need to file and pay them. This can include self-employment tax, state income tax, and federal income tax. It's also very likely that the food you sell will be subject to sales and use tax. Insurance for your food truck. Workers' compensation insurance. General liability insurance. Home and auto insurance. Maintaining your food truck business documentation. 1. File an annual report. 2. Pay estimated taxes. 3. Renew business permits and licenses. 4. Prepare your taxes. 5. File your taxes. 6. Pay payroll and sales taxes. Conclusion. Find the right niche, and your food truck business could be an enormous success. You'll certainly learn quickly if it's right for you, and with perseverance, you can turn a food truck into a very profitable venture.